Welcome to the world of full-stack development, where your ideas transform into complete, interactive web applications. In this lesson, we're taking our very first step into web development by learning about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's the language used to structure every web page you see on the internet. Think of HTML as the building blocks that tell a browser what each part of a web page should be. HTML uses something called tags. Most HTML elements have an opening tag, some content in the middle, and a closing tag. For example, less than button greater than like less than, button greater than. Here, the opening tag is less than button greater than, the text like is the content, and the closing tag is less than, button greater than. The great thing is that you can easily change the text inside the button. Whether it's like, post, or OK, the tags stay the same while the label changes. Now let's learn how to display regular text using the paragraph tag. The paragraph tag is written as less than p greater than. It's one of the most commonly used HTML tags because it's used whenever you want to display a paragraph or sentence. For example, less than p greater than Mimo is fun. Less than p greater than. Notice that the text is wrapped between the opening less than p greater than tag and the closing less than p greater than tag. When the browser reads this code, it simply displays, Mimo is fun. It's that simple. Whenever you want to add normal text to your web page, you'll usually use the paragraph tag. Next, let's look at headings. Headings help organize your web page and make important text stand out. HTML provides 6 heading levels, starting from less than h1 greater than down to less than h6 greater than. The less than h1 greater than heading is the largest and boldest, making it perfect for the main title of a page. As the numbers increase, the headings become smaller, so less than h2 greater than is slightly smaller than less than h1 greater than, less than h3 greater than is smaller than less than h2 greater than, and so on until less than h6 greater than, which is the smallest heading. Using headings correctly helps visitors understand the structure of your content and makes your web pages easier to read. Let's combine everything we've learned. Here, we start with a basic HTML document. Inside the body, we add an less than h1 greater than tag for the main title, my blog. Then we use an less than h2 greater than tag for a section heading, my favorite things. As the browser reads the HTML, it displays the page with clear, organized headings. And that's exactly how HTML works. It transforms simple code into the web pages we see every day. Congratulations! You've learned the basics of HTML tags, paragraphs, and headings. These are the fundamental building blocks of every website, and they're the first step toward becoming a web developer. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out and listening. If you enjoyed this content or found it helpful, please take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Your support means the world, and I will see you all in the next one.